So let's talk about the difference between those electromagnetic waves. The first difference is that, or the first thing that is the same, so this is a Venn diagram, so this middle part here is what they have in common. They both transfer energy from one place to another. That's what waves do. That's the purpose of a wave, okay? So they all transfer energy. One other thing that they have in common is that they can both be that transverse shape. And remember, that transverse shape is the one that looks like this, okay? Only mechanical waves have that longitudinal shape, and it's going to look terrible when I draw it right here, but it's that one that gets closer. There, that's not getting any closer, farther. Yeah, that looks awful. You remember that one? The slinky one where it gets compressed? Okay, that's the longitudinal wave. That only happens in mechanical waves. That doesn't happen in an electromagnetic wave because they're not shaped like that. So the rest of these things are differences, and I have one on each side for each one. So the first one over here, for a mechanical wave, it requires a medium, and for an electromagnetic wave, it travels in a vacuum. That's what we call that empty space. Okay, so a vacuum is that empty space. Empty space. Okay. And then the other difference that we have down here is that mechanical waves can go actually pretty slow through water. They might go really slow, or through earth, they might go kind of faster. But it could be a variety of speeds, from anywhere from, half a meter per second to 350 meters per second to thousands of meters per second. But all electromagnetic waves go the same speed, and it's all the speed of light, which is 300 million meters per second all the time. Every time it goes, it's 300 million meters per second. Okay, which you could write that down if you want to. We'll jot that down really fast. 300 million meters per second every time. Okay, that's really fast. I mean, it's the speed of light. That's the fastest you can go. If you didn't know, speed of light is the speed limit. It's the fastest you can go. Well, you can't go the speed of light. You're too big.